in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly why YouTube is not pushing your videos. Yes, why you're not getting any views in your videos, despite how frequent you post or how beautiful and sweet your video is. Okay, I'm going to be telling you why exactly YouTube is not pushing it. And I'm also going to be giving you 3 major solutions, 3 major things that you can do to help YouTube start pushing or recommending your videos. Because YouTube recommendations is what actually makes you go viral on this space. Okay, if you're getting your videos recommendations from external source, it will be really hard. But when YouTube recommends your video, you will be sleeping, your video will be going viral. And when you wake up, you will see that you are already a star on YouTube, okay? And there are 3 major settings, 3 that can actually help you get started and let YouTube push your videos more than your expectations. And these 3 settings can be done before posting your videos, okay? Please be attentive. It can also be applied while you're posting your videos, during the time of posting your videos, and lastly, after posting your videos. And then the first setting you're going to check.
If you are my subscriber, you know this procedure already. All you have to do is go to Chrome and search for YouTube dashboards. Okay, when it's open, click on this particular one. It will redirect you back to the desktop site. All right, this is where you get the particular settings you're going to touch. So now that you're here, you see this top left corner. Just scroll downwards. Are you seeing this particular symbol where it says settings? This settings symbol, just click on it. Okay. Now that you have clicked on it, guys, please be very attentive. A lot of people have ignored these particular settings on their channel that is affecting them. So you see this part, it says channel, click on that particular part. This is basic info, okay? We're at basic info. You see these keywords, this is the major part of your channel. It's a very good thing that you specify your keywords, fill in your keywords, specify your channel's niche or usefulness. What's your channel all about? What are you doing in your channel? Who are the audience you're trying to reach? If you don't let YouTube know this, they will not know what your channel is all about or who you are pushing your content to. Because by the time you want to find that, settle down and find that, it will take a lot of time for you to go. You know, there are a lot of people on this space. So guys, as you can see, my now is the growth niche. Is a YouTube growth niche, okay? That's why you see how to grow on YouTube, advice to small YouTubers, tutorial. This is basically all I do. And then as you can see, something else I should also apply. As you can see on I have some creators here that I put their name, okay, inside my keywords, because these are creators I like so much, okay? So their names are here. All you should do is look for creators in your own niche. Down the creator, Creative Career, Busonia. These are all creators that are in my niche, okay? Just look for your own and add to it. It makes your channel branded, because by the time those people's audience are searching for them, your own channel will also be popping up. So now that we are done with that, the next thing you're supposed to do, which is the second important settings, is to click on this upload default. Are you seeing it underneath? Click on it. Okay, this one is basic info. You can put, but because your titles change every time, you cannot actually use this basic info. So you can let that be, because your titles for your videos will not be the same at all times. But you see mine, this is where I put watch my full YouTube course playlist. Okay, to up your YouTube game. Are you seeing my playlist link? So you can put any link or any hashtags that you want to be in your description at every time you upload. These are default settings, okay? Then visibility, I cannot set that because I upload differently. Then these tags, are you seeing it? YouTube growth. So these are settings that you need to do in your channel. Then this is the main place, this advanced settings. Advanced settings, this is the main part, this, which is the second major settings. Are you seeing this place? It said category. Please and please, whatever you are doing, choose a category for it. If you're in the entertainment niche, please choose it. This is a very important part. When you have put all these things in place, this is what we call channel optimization. When you have optimized your channel like this, it will enable your content fly. Some people will say it's not guaranteed to get views. Guys, it's a guarantee to get views. Okay, it's a guarantee, because it just makes it easier for YouTube algorithm to do your work. Do you understand me? There's nothing bad if you specify what you are doing with your channel, and when you post, the YouTube algorithm just already know, and then they push your videos to the right audience. So let me show you something inside my studio. Let me show you why it's important to set up all of this, okay? My own is actual style. Those are all the categories that you can fall into. Are you saying it's sports, science, pets and animals, people and blogs? That's people and blogs. That's the default settings. You might be doing sport and YouTube in people and blogs because you refuse to specify what your channel is about. But imagine you doing sport and you put it on sport. So that would be a very good pigment for your channel. So let's close this up. So let me just show you the video using this the normal YouTube studio. Okay, it's something I want to show you here. Look at it. When you open the analytics of this video, look at what it's telling you. Say how viewers found this video. YouTube recommendations. Are you seeing it? Because I properly optimized my videos and my channel. Are you seeing YouTube recommendations? If your videos have not started showing this, then just know that YouTube is still struggling to get your audience. YouTube is still fighting, trying to know where your videos fit in, trying to still locate your right audience. You see YouTube recommendations 691, channel pages, direct or unknown, notifications, others. But YouTube recommendation is more. So this way your YouTube videos will easily blow up. And what causes these YouTube recommendations? By putting all of these settings in place, okay? You have seen the two main settings to turn on before posting your videos, while posting your videos. And now the third thing you should do after posting your videos is to wait 2 to 3 hours before sharing your video links. Yes, the reason why you have to wait is because you should give YouTube time to actually go through that video and push it by themselves. Because if you start sharing your video links the minute you drop your videos, YouTube will assume you have your whole audience and you want to watch it, and then they will stop pushing the videos and they will leave the work to you. And you don't want to do that, okay? Because it will be stressful for you. They have the audience. They have the audience that can actually watch your videos. They know people that are interested in your kind of content. So give YouTube 2 to 3 hours to actually push your videos to people before you now copy your links and share it to maybe your WhatsApp group, your Telegram groups, whatever groups you belong to that people will actually watch it. Don't share your video links to a group that people will not watch. It will cause harm to your videos, okay? They will just come and they will watch 1 minute or even 30 seconds and they are off, and your video is 11-minute video. It will actually harm that video. So share your group, the videos to group that they can actually engage, but not immediately after posting. 2 to 3 hours after posting, after YouTube has done their own sharing, okay? Because it's within that first 3 hours of posting that YouTube will start giving you analytics about that particular video that you just uploaded. So guys, hold on. Let YouTube do their job first. When you can apply these 3 particular settings into your videos upload, I'm sure your uploading will take a new turn and YouTube will definitely recommend your videos, okay? I've been using this in my channel and making the videos have views. It's making me have subscribers and watch time. So guys, please, don't push your videos by yourself. Hold on for YouTube and apply all of these 3 settings I've told you. The 3 of them work hand in hand. So if you have watched to this point, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.